everybody, it's Emily and this is Emily Arts, and this morning before I get ready for work I wanted to plan out my week in my pocket traveler's notebook and then give you a little update on some really cute Happy Mail that I just got, and it's so adorable, and it's from our favorite person, Anne, and she's just the best. She's amazing, and not just because she gives me fun things, she's just a really sweet person. And then this I ordered from Daze, I don't even know how, Boutique and Bow Supply. And I wanted to show you this. It's jelly to make jelly covers. And so we're excited about that. All right, so first things first, let me move this out of the way. So I ordered a Hobonichi A5 Cousin Avec in order to have like a countertop planner. Countertop? Is that a countertop planner for that I could just keep open for next year? And then my pocket, you know, I can never abandon her. She's, you know, in my purse and everything, but I love planners and I wanted another one. So there we go. This one so far is not going to be used for journaling. It's going to be a planner. I still haven't decided what I'm going to do for journaling, but I told you in my wish list that I wanted to have a jelly cover for it. Well, I ordered jelly on Etsy. These two jelly sheets came. I got a lavender piece and a black piece. The girl was really nice. I did have a tiny bit of trouble because the black one came with these like creases in it, which I just wasn't real happy with because I'm going to use it for my cover, and I don't know if you can even see that. Maybe I'm just being really picky, but I feel like it, you know, I don't want that on there, you know. The lavender one looks nice. And I just emailed her and I said, I don't know, it came with these creases in it. I don't know if it was like folded or what happened. And she's like, oh, I'll get you another piece out on Monday. She's like, I'm sorry, I usually catch that stuff and I just must not have seen it. And so that was really sweet. And I know it's me being picky, but it's like, I don't know, you can kind of see them in the light and it just looks creased up. So it's just weird, you know? And if it was from shipping, I would totally understand. That's not her fault. But the creases were actually in this cover paper too. So it looked like it was maybe like happened in production or something. And then there's like another big one kind of like right here. It looks like it was folded. But the jelly is beautiful and I love it. And we're going to have a great time sewing covers for that. My mom and I are going to make one. So I'm excited to do that. These are really pretty. They were $3.50 a sheet. So if you know how to sew, I think we can make these, you know. I'm not trying to discredit like what the jelly makers do, because they do a fantastic job and it is worth the price that they pay because they're great sewers and everything. But I just wanted to try and do it myself because I know that my mom is an amazing sewer, and I know she could help me, you know, make it really, really good. And then we'd have, you know, more things to play with for just less cost. So that is fun. And I do have a holographic name decal on the way for the cover. So this is from Anne. It came yesterday and I got home from work. Today's Sunday. I got home from work at midnight, and this was on the counter, and I was like, a surprise! Because sometimes she'll like send me a little message and say, I sent something in the mail to you, and then I'm all excited. But this was just a complete surprise. And she said that gift giving is her love language. So I mean, if she wants to show me love, I'm not going to argue. No, I've sent her a few things too, and she knows just how appreciative I am. So Yeah, she's a peach. So anyways, I'm gonna stick that in my journal, a little sticker. And she must have just been reading my mind, because you know how I said, oh, there's a cute one here too. You know how I said that I was so excited to see all the Halloween things that were out, because it's now officially October. A lot of these are like kind of Halloween stuff, and so it was just like such good timing. And yesterday was just kind of one of those days at work where, I don't know, it was just like some not so happy things, you know, so this was a real cheer up when I got home from work, you know. So, how sweet! Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so those are my journal. And then let's see what she sent. Oh, look at this little card. Happy Owlween. Oh my gosh. This is going to be a lot of me like fawning and going crazy. So just, if you're not up for that, maybe come back later. Ghostly greetings and joy. XOX. Anne. That's so sweet. Well, this is going to have to somehow go in my journal. Happy Owlween. That's so cute. So how cute. And then, let's see. Oh, look at these crepe paper ephemera pieces. It's called Hey Pumpkin. Oh my God, these look absolutely adorable. Let's see if I can zoom in. These delightful embellishments are the perfect finishing touch for any project. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh, there's little sequins. These are super cute. This is the kind of Halloween stuff that makes me really excited, like the cutesy stuff. Oh my gosh. And I showed you my Halloween stickers that I stuck in here. I was out, and that was like the last Halloween-y stuff I had. So this is so fun. Oh, this journal is going to be Halloweened out. Oh, these are adorable. Oh my gosh. And then look at this, sweetavaspaper.com. It's a little planner clip. That's definitely going to go in my pocket for this week, because I'm going to do a Halloween week in my planner, because the kids have, my work trunk or treat is on Wednesday. My unit has a trunk or treat for like all of our kids at the park. And so I'm going to do a Halloween week, even though it's not Halloween yet. I'm not going to get all of these out because you can see everything that's on it right here. But if you want me to in a next video or something, I totally can. Ooh, what are these? It's a Mambi Love This Season. Ooh, it's like a seasonal sticker pack. Oh my gosh, but it's little. You guys, this is perfect to decorate my months. No, that's my journal. Focus, Emily. I'm so excited. Because look at how little my monthly calendar is. These stickers will work perfectly. Oh my gosh. I'm obsessed with this. And thank you so much. Okay, let's see. How do we want to do this? Focus. Let's do a spider web up here in the corner, because that's super cute. And then some bats. Oh my gosh, this is so stinking cute. And then some candies. Oh, okay. Fully obsessed. And then I think we might need to have a couple more bats. And then maybe another leaf. Oh, I'm excited about that. So that is super perfect. And then these, what are these? Geranium with Sekaneko. They're like Garanian, but stamps. Oh, how cute. Oh my gosh. Look at this little book one. I spend relaxed time with my favorite books. Oh my God. Oh. Schedule seal for daily events. Mono animal bears. Oh my goodness. They're like the parakeet ones, but they're bears. Oh, lunch. They're so cute. So these would also fit perfectly in my little boxes, like the monthly boxes. How cute would that be? Oh, this is gonna have to be used for a coffee. Excuse my nails. They're absolutely hideous. So this is what, made in Japan. And you see they show them in the monthly boxes. Schedule seal. It's a cat and a bunny. Oh my gosh. These are so cute. Annual schedule event. So these are like holidays, and then daily, like little daily things. Oh my God. Noranayan friends. It's a black cat. I'm gonna hyperventilate. I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I don't know where these schedule seal stickers come from. Oh my gosh. What is this? I am obsessed. Yumagiwa sugar? It's like Garanian, but a little girl. It's like a little girl kitty. Oh my God. Queen. This is absolutely amazing. Look at the little ballerina. Oh my gosh. Mind Wave. Okay, I've heard of Mind Wave, so. Oh Lord, look at these cat stickers. Also Mind Wave. Look at that one. This looks just like Skinny. He has kind of a resting bitch face. Oh, but he's my baby. Look at them. They're so sweet. Domo-kun. I don't know what this is. Fashion sticker. It's like a little monster guy. Look at that. Oh my gosh. Epoxy resin. So these are like the thicker epoxy stickers. So cute. Look at him watering his little plants. Oh my goodness. If you want to know where any of these things came from, I can get Anne to tell me where she got them. These crate paper things, I have a feeling you could get at scrapbook.com. Or I often see crate paper stuff at Tuesday Morning. But these ephemera pieces are pricey. This is all just, I mean, I can't even deal right now. All right, so this was our last week. And like I said, one of my absolute and utter favorites. This one and my back to school week so far, I think, have been my absolute favorites. Oh my goodness. Okay. Stick this in here. Put these aside. And then look how cute the clip will look. Oh. All right, bear with me as I flip into voiceover for the planning. I decided to pull some little yellow decorative washi that I got from Michael's in the 33-cent bin to cover up the top day of the week boxes because they're just gray. And in the Hobonichi weeks, they go vertically instead of horizontally. So I whited out the lines too. I'm being very extra this week. And then I'm using the horizontal, or excuse me, the vertical little date boxes. Since they're made for the Hobonichi weeks, they go the other direction. But with everything whited out, I think it looks really cute. And that yellow really coordinated with the kit, and it was like kind of polka dotty. It just worked. I was happy with it. And then there's me just being, you know, like I said, real extra. So putting in those stickers, this kit makes me so happy. It's so candy and Halloween, and I'm obsessed. And then I'm using the bottom washi, which fits really well in my little pocket. And I know that this is a small week, but I really just try and do the timed things unless I have space to fill. And then I'll do, you know, some untimed things. But so I try and fill it up because I love how it looks when it's full and it's full of decoration and stuff. This is more just like my fun spread. And then I'm using the weekend sticker from the Hobonichi Weeks kit, and I put it in between the Saturday and Sunday. And then I'm using my microperm. Oh no, this isn't a microperm. This is a Pigma Micron in orange because it matched so well with the kit, and I really like those pens. And then writing in the week. This is going to be October 7th through the 13th. So I can't even believe how fast time is going. And then I'm mixing up the boxes to mark things. These little square boxes from the Hobonichi Weeks kit fit perfectly in my little vertical Weeks layout, which is the really nice thing about the Weeks kit. And then I don't really use those to-do stickers, so I'm using them to mark events, which I know a lot of people don't do, but I'm doing it because it's something I gotta do. So and then I also like to cut up the little list stickers that have the little like icons and stuff, and I use those also to mark timed things, like the little candy corn on Monday to mark Addie's dance. So, and then I've got early out on Wednesday, so I used a little list sticker to kind of mark a block of time, and then our trunk or treat and an appointment on Tuesday. And Saturday is super full, so I'm like cutting up those to-do list stickers again. And this is also keeping in mind that I like to reuse these kits. And this horizontal was meant to be a horizontal box, and I'm using it vertically to mark that we're going to a wedding that night. And then meal prep and grocery shopping icons on Sunday. And then she has a garbage sticker, so I like to put that in on Thursday. And oh, I just love how it fills up and it looks so cute. And then I'm using another of the to-do list stickers to mark that we have tumbling on Sunday. And I forgot that I had to put in work on Tuesday. And I end up moving that down further because my favorite part is the deco stickers. So I managed to fit in 2 big deco stickers, Star and her surrounded by candy, and then the Have a Sweet Halloween on the Monday, Tuesday. And then I'm using my orange pen, like I said, to fill in all of our activities. Den meeting and dance on Monday. Tuesday I've got to work. Henry's got karate. Wednesday's an early out, and then we have the trunk or treat that night. So I'll get a picture of my kids as Harry Potter and Hermione Granger, and I'll let you guys see what they look like. And then I've got an appointment on Thursday in the morning, and then Thursday night we've got ballet and jazz as usual. Saturday, Michael's got the day off. Addie's got a birthday party to go to in the afternoon, and then we have a wedding to go to for his office manager. The sweetest girl on the planet, Elizabeth, is getting married, and we are having a date night. So I am very excited about that. And that's pretty much what the week looks like. And then I'm using the little to clean and to buy stickers from the Hobonichi Weeks kit, and it kind of like makes 2 lists with my little decorative box separating them, so that worked perfectly. And then I had that little freebie with some Halloween stickers that I'm using to put on Friday. The Luna in the pumpkin, and then the little bat. So cute. Maybe we'll have friends over after school on Friday. But that's our week, and I'm sticking it back in my little pocket, and I'm going to put on my pumpkin clip from Anne. Thank you again, Anne. And I am so excited. This is turning out to be just a really fun month. So I hope you guys are having fun and getting in the spirit. If you haven't subscribed, please do and leave me comments. And I hope you have a great week. Thanks, guys. Bye.